chapter 4 we are discussing today nouns and pronouns. You know what is nouns? Nouns are the names of people, places, animals and things. The names of people, animals, places and things, and we divide it to 5 kinds, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun and collective noun. First we discuss which one is common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is the common name of all persons, places, animals or things which are of the same kind. A common noun is the common name of all persons, places, animals or things which are of the same kind. Like you see, Jack knows how to play the guitar. Jack knows how to play the guitar. And the second sentence is, have you ever been to England? Have you ever been to England? So here Jack and England are the names of a particular person and a country. See, again I am just repeating, that is proper noun. Again I am just repeating, a common noun is the common name of all persons, places, animals or things which are of the same kind. Like if I am telling the cat at the door belongs to our neighbor. The cat at the door belongs to our neighbor. So here neighbor means so many houses are there, so many people, so particular which neighbors the cat is coming, that is don't know. So that cat or door or the neighbors, that is common. But you see here proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the special name given to a person, place, animal or thing. Like see, Jack knows how to play the guitar. So here a particular person named Jack. Here I am just dividing that here, that Jack knows how to play the guitar. So Jack is a particular person name. Next you see collective nouns. A collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals and things. A collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals and things. Like you see, the fleet of birds is sitting on a wire. The flock of birds is sitting on a wire, means here indicating so many birds are sitting on a wire. So a group of birds are called flock. A groups of birds called flock. This bunch of keys is kept in this drawer. This bunch of keys is kept in this drawer. So bunch of keys means so many keys are in this bunch. So it is collective noun. Next you see concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the names of things that we can see, touch and feel. Concrete nouns are the names of things that we can see, touch and feel. Like you see, Pinku climbed the tree to pluck mangoes. Pinku climbed the tree to pluck mangoes means we can touch the tree, we can feel the tree, we can see the tree. And pluck mangoes, that means we can see mangoes, we touch mangoes, we can feel mangoes. So what things are just we can see, touch and feel, that is called concrete nouns. And the last one is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the names of things, feelings, ideas, qualities or states which we cannot touch or see but only feel. Again I am repeating, abstract nouns are the names of things, feelings, ideas, qualities or states which we cannot touch or see but only feel. See, in concrete nouns we can see, touch and feel, but in abstract noun we cannot touch or see but only feel. Like bravery, wisdom, truth, advice, friendship. So we cannot touch these things or we cannot see these things, but we only feel. So students, let me start our questions to discuss the questions. Number 1, a clan of hyenas looked for food. A clan of hyenas looked for food. Just now I told that, see here, a group of things. So you see, a clan of hyenas means so many hyenas are there, so it is called clan. So here the options are proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So here the answer is collective noun. Here the answer is collective noun. Number 2, Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Light bulb, it is common, so here the answer is common noun. Number 3, we get heavy discounts on Christmas. We get heavy discounts on Christmas. So when we were getting a heavy discount, that is a particular time, that is Christmas. So the answer is proper noun. See number 4. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. The options is proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So president means it is continuously changing, so it is common noun. Number 5. Sasi trembled with terror. Sasi trembled with terror. Options are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun. Here, see, terror. We can't touch or we can't see it, but we can feel it, terror. So, it is the answer is abstract noun. C. Number 6. Choose the correct option corresponding to its groups. Collective noun. A school of dash fish, tigers, cubs, geese. A school of, here the answer is fish. A school of fish. So many fish are called togetherly. It is fish. A troop of monkeys, elephants, donkeys, cows. Here a troop of monkeys. A troop of monkeys. Number 8. A chain of keys, beads, islands, cranes. A chain of islands. A chain of islands. Number 9. A litter of lions, tigers, pups, chimpanzees. Lions, tigers, pups, chimpanzees. Here a litter of pups. Here the answer is a litter of pups. Number 10. A pack of dash, crocodiles, hounds, cattle, bees. A pack of hounds. A pack of hounds. A pack of hounds. Next you see C. Choose the correct abstract noun from the given options to complete the sentence. Abstract noun. What I told, abstract nouns are the names of things, feelings, ideas, qualities or states which we cannot touch or see but only feel. The Sikhs of ancient times were full of honesty, bravery, wisdom, warmth. I told you, abstract noun we can't touch or see but only feel. The sentence is here: the Sikhs of ancient times were full of wisdom. We cannot touch it, we cannot see it, but only feel that times wisdom. The Sikhs of ancient times were full of wisdom. Next you see number 12. Julie has great dash for her parents. Julie has great dash for her parents. The options are respect, cruelty, peace, bravery. So here the answer is respect. Julie has great respect for her parents. Number 13. Dash is next to godliness. Dash is next to godliness. Words are kind, cleanliness, coldness, charity. Here cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Number 14. My father's dash is always right. My father's dash is always right. Judgment, judge, judgmental, jest. So here my father's judgment is always right. Number 15. The girl smiled remembering her dash memories. The girl smiled remembering her dash memories. The words are boyhood, childhood, youth, honesty. Boyhood, childhood, youth, honesty. Here the answer is childhood. The girl smiled remembering her childhood memories. C. D option. Choose a correct option to make a compound noun. Compound noun. Bank. Bank. So what we will do in that compound? What is compound nouns? Compound nouns are nouns formed by joining two or more nouns. Compound nouns are nouns formed by joining two or more nouns. The meaning of the compound noun can sometimes be completely different from the word used to form it. See here, like timetable. Timetable means you know the timings. Blackboard, we know the blackboard. So compound nouns are nouns formed by joining two or more nouns. Choose a correct options to make a compound noun. So bank you know, account, pocket, coat, circuit. So here the answer is account, bank account. Next you see number 17, green. The options are office, house, school, bank. Office, house, school, bank. So here the answer is green house. Green house. 18. Heart. The options are beat, skip, sick, line. Heart, beat, skip, sick, line. So here the answer is heart beat. Heart beat. Number 19. Number 19. Real. Number 19. The word is real. The words are estate, state, country, city. Estate, state, country and city. So real, here the options are state, state, country and city. So answer is state. Number 20. Over. The options are due, less, few, under. Due, less, few, under. Here you see number 20. Over. The answer is overdue. The answer is overdue. E. Fill in the blanks using demonstrative pronouns. Fill in the blanks using demonstrative pronouns. So till we just discussed about the nouns. Now we will discuss about the pronouns. First we know what is pronouns. What is pronouns? A pronoun is a word used in a place of nouns. A place of nouns. What is pronouns? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun, like I ordered a pizza. It was delicious. I. If I will tell that Rina ordered a pizza, but in that place Rina, I just added here the I ordered a pizza. So this I is a pronoun. Now you see kinds of pronouns. Kinds of pronouns. Some commonly used types of pronouns, that is, are personal pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and possessive pronoun. Again, I am just telling the names: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and possessive pronoun. So what is personal pronouns? Pronouns that are used instead of names of people or things are called personal pronouns. Pronouns that are used instead of names of people or things are called personal pronouns. Like, you have to work harder to pass the rest. You have to work harder to pass the test. So here see the demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to point out specific persons or things are called demonstrative pronouns. They are these, that, these, and those. Pronouns that are used to point out specific persons or things are called demonstrative pronouns. Now we see, first we will do these things, demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronouns? Pronouns that are used to point out specific persons or things are called demonstrative pronouns. See the question. I am not convinced. I know dash are mere excuses. I am not convinced. I know dash are mere excuses. Here the options is this, that, this, it. Here the options are this, that, this, it. So here the answer is these. I am not convinced. I know these are, because it is are here. So here this, THESE. These spellings we have filled here. This, THESE, not THIS. I am not convinced. I know these are mere excuses. 22. Dash is the girl met in the mall. Dash is the girl met in the mall. The options are such, this, 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 THESE, this, and THOSE, those. The answer is B. This is the girl, because it is I as is here singular noun, so this THIS will be here. This is the girl I met in the mall. 23. Manusmriti says that every king is a representative of God and as dash, we are bound to worship him. Manusmriti says that every king is a representative of God and as dash, we are bound to worship him. See the options: these, that, such, those. Here the answer is such. And see, Manusmriti says that every king is a representative of God and as such we are bound to worship them. Number 24. The roads of UP are worse than dash of Haryana. 24. The roads of UP are worse than those of Haryana's. Number 25. This shirt is better than dash one. This shirt is better than dash one. The options is THIS these, that, THESE these, and those. Here the answer is this. The shirt is better than that one. The shirt is better than that one. See the next one. Okay. See number 26. The actors saved money by making the complete the sentences using the appropriate reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. What is reflexive pronouns? Pronouns that are used as objects of the verb and refer to the same person or thing as the subject are called reflexive pronouns. Again, I am repeating, pronouns that are used as objects of the verb and refer to the same person or things as the subject are called reflexive pronouns. Like you see, myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, yourselves, ourselves, and themselves. I am teaching myself French. He enjoyed himself. They helped themselves. So this type of words using for that reflexive pronouns. See the questions. The actors saved money by making the costumes. The actors saved money by making the costumes. Options are myself, yourself, themselves, and herself. Here the answer is themselves. Here the answer is themselves. The actors saved money by making the costumes themselves. 27. Aunt Ruby said to the children, take care of dash. Take care of dash. Aunt Ruby said to the children, take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves. 28. It is not too easy to amuse dash at a wedding party. It is not easy to amuse dash at the wedding party. The options are oneself, himself, itself, and herself. Oneself, himself, itself, and herself. Here the answer is oneself. Here the answer is oneself. It is not easy to amuse oneself at a wedding party. Number 29. I was in hurry, so I washed the car dash. Ourselves, myself, yourself, yourselves. I was in a hurry, so I washed the car myself, means he is doing own, myself. 30. The cat fell into the well and hurt. The cat fell into the well and hurt. Here the answer is itself, himself, herself, oneself. The cat fell into the well and hurt itself. See the next one. It's the hot questions. Choose the correct options to complete each sentence. A caravan of dash, lions, camels, chicks and deer. A caravan of camels. 32. All of us want love, smile, happiness, happily. All of us want happiness. All of us want happiness. 33. My brother and I painted the fence. My brother and I painted the fence dash. So here the answer is, the options are yourself, ourselves, itself, himself. My brother and I, it is plural form, so that here we used here ourselves, because it is telling here the my brother and I, so ourselves. Number 34. Dash never went to Ramgarh, but they have heard about dash. Dash never went to Ramgarh, but they have heard about dash. So number 34. They never, here the options you see, they, them, he, his, they, it, they. So here the answer is they eat, because they never went to Ramgarh, but they have heard about it. They never went to Ramgarh, but they have heard about it. The last question, number 35. Has dash seen my project file? Has dash seen my project file? All, any, some, anybody. You are asking something, so here the answer is, has anybody seen my project file? Has anybody seen my project file? Means someone is just asking someone. So has anybody seen my project file? Here the answer is anybody.